In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to add custom user properties in HubSpot so you can organize your team data and improve reporting. Start by logging into your HubSpot dashboard, then click the settings icon at the top. From there, go to Properties and use the Object drop-down to select User Properties. Next, click Create Property to open the Setup panel. Give your property a clear name, set an internal name, and add a description so your team understands its purpose. After that, choose the field type based on the data you want to store, like text, number, or drop-down. Picking the right type helps keep your data clean and easy to manage. Once everything is set, click Create and your custom user property will be added. To assign values, go back to Settings and open Users and Teams, then select a user. Find the Custom Properties section, enter the relevant data and save your changes. And that's it. You've successfully created and used custom user properties in HubSpot to better organize and manage your team data.